In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Citibank credit card online. To get started, open your browser and search for how to apply for a Citibank credit card. Once you see the relevant Citi page in the results, go ahead and open it. This will take you to the information page where Citi explains the credit card application process. Once you are inside the home page, take a moment to look around so you know you're on the correct Citi page. From here, scroll all the way down until you find the option that says Apply for a credit card with Citi. Click on that link to continue. On the next section or page, look for the button or link that says Apply for a credit card today. Select it to move forward. After that, you'll be taken to the page where you can view and compare all credit cards. This is an important part of the process because Citi may offer different cards with different benefits, rewards, rates, or features. Spend a moment reviewing the available options and select the card that you want to apply for. Once you've chosen the card that best fits your needs, click Apply Now. This will open the online application form. Here, you'll begin by entering your personal information. Make sure everything is typed carefully and matches your official documents where needed, since accuracy can help avoid delays. Next, add your address and phone information in the required fields. As you fill this out, double-check for spelling errors, missing apartment numbers, or incorrect digits. If you want to provide a P.O. Box address, you can do that in the optional section. You may also see an optional field to provide a home phone number. If that applies to you, you can enter it there. If not, you can leave that optional section blank. After that, continue to the financial information section and enter the requested details. This part is used as part of the application review, so make sure the information you provide is current and accurate. You'll then be asked to select a security word. Choose one that you can remember easily but that is still unique enough to help protect your account-related information. Next, review the terms and conditions carefully. It's always a good idea to read through this section before agreeing so you understand the card's terms, fees, and important disclosures. Once everything is complete, click Agree and submit to send in your application. And that's it. You've now gone through the online process to apply for a Citibank credit card. Before submitting, one final tip is to quickly review all your entries one more time to make sure everything is correct. That can help make the process smoother and reduce the chance of application issues.